Hello everybody and welcome back to DIY Diecast. My name is Joe, also known as the wheel swap guy here lately. Guess that's because we do a lot of wheel swap videos on this channel. And I gotta tell you, the hardest part about doing a wheel swap, absolutely, without a doubt, is choosing which vehicle to do next. The possibilities are endless. The wheel choices, there's just lots of great different ones. And I mean, before I make a video, I really go through so much die-cast and so many wheel variations, and it is a really tough decision on which one to do. However, for this episode, I've chosen the 16 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Alright, and it is absolutely beautiful. The details have been very well done on this car. It doesn't need much at all except for a wheel swap. We'll get these hard plastic and unrealistic looking 5-spoke factory wheels off of this thing and get some real rubber real rider tires on this thing, and I think you'll agree the transformation is going to be simply amazing. Alright, so I'm going to put you on pause and bring you over here so that you can see exactly what's going on. Hang tight. Alright, it is the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario, or Centenario, I think that's close enough. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Lamborghini fans, this is an amazingly detailed car that you'll want to go back and find for your collection. This one was released in 2019. And we'll just go ahead and open this up and take a closer look at what I'm talking about. These details far exceed some of its predecessors from just a few years earlier. And a rare detail that we don't get too much on these supercars, and I'm going to get right into that, the taillights. Okay, the rear of supercars are very complicated and complex in design, and that's why they look so wild. And for that reason, I think the taillights just don't get colored in enough. But they got them on this model. There they are in the red, and it's very well done. The wheels aren't too hateful, you know. It's not terrible, but, you know, just prefer the realer looking wheels and the rubber tires. One wheel swap them all. And the details extend into the interior, where you can see that the shifter down there and the steering wheel in great detail. Just all around the car, down to the ground effects. Sadly, we did not get side mirrors, but you rarely will with any Hot Wheels mainline car. They did give us the headlight decals and the Lamborghini emblem on the front. So all in all, not bad on the details, and I think that once we get these wheels on here, we're going to have something quite different looking and amazing. Alright. locking position. Axle. So there it is. What do you think about that? That is quite a transformation. I absolutely love those white leather and chrome updated 5-spoke wheels. I think they are very, very supercar appropriate. And this car is just so much better than it was to begin with. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this wheel swap video. We do a lot of these, as I mentioned before, so subscribe. That way you can catch when the next one comes out. Try to do at least 2 of these a week, and if you subscribe, it's absolutely free, and you get notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, thanks for watching.